Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility. Check model numbers, firmware, and available port types. SFP, RJ45, 1G, or 10G, so you don't create a mismatch. Once done, pick the correct cable, Cat6/Cat6A for copper or fiber with matching transceivers, and stage them. Make sure you've recorded the IP plan and VLAN assignments, because linking switches changes traffic paths. Knowing spanning tree basics prevents loops. Now power and console access should be ready, and you can move to the physical connection. You plug the cable into matching ports and watch LEDs for link and speed. This confirms physical negotiation. Next, configure each port. Choose access or trunk mode based on your VLAN plan, assign native VLAN if required, and set allowed VLAN so traffic flows predictably. If you're aggregating links, enable LACP or configure a static link aggregation group with identical settings on both switches. Otherwise, packet ordering and load balancing fail. Finally, save the running config and test connectivity between endpoints. You verify the link by pinging across VLAN and running traceroute to confirm paths. Check MAC tables to ensure devices learned on expected ports. Once done, inspect spanning tree states and LACP bundle health so you avoid loops and uneven traffic. If you see errors or intermittent drops, check switch logs for flaps, then isolate the fault. Swap the cable, test a single known good port, or temporarily revert recent config changes. Make sure to save stable configs and monitor for 10-15 minutes to confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.